Namaste. In this video we are going to learn about Surabhi mudra. Now Surabhi, the word arises from the daughter of Kamdhenu. So Surabhi was a calf of Kamdhenu. Kamdhenu was a wish fulfilling cow. So whatever you ask her, you will get it. So Surabhi is similar like her mother. She also fulfills the wishes. That's the parable behind this mudra. To do this mudra, you basically join the opposite middle finger and index finger. So you have to interlock, you have to crisscross your fingers, index finger and middle finger, and join it of the opposite hand. Similarly, you have to do with the ring finger and little finger as well. So you will interlock your fingers of both hands and join it. So this is the Surabhi mudra. You can place your thumb loosely, or you can just touch the base of your index finger, base of the middle finger, base of the ring finger, base of the little finger. When you touch each of those elements, the effect will be different, but you will still get the benefits of the original Surabhi mudra. What are the benefits of Surabhi mudra? So one of the benefits is that if you practice this for 15 days, for at least 10 to 15 minutes, any wish that you ask for will be fulfilled. You have to try this for 15 days to get the best results. Besides that, it also balances the Vat, Pitta and Kapha in body, which are the three maladies that can occur in a body. So if you are diseased, most probably your Vat, Pitta and Kapha are not balanced. So if you want to balance it, you can do this particular mudra. This mudra also increases the creativity. If you are stuck at some problem, some situation and you want a solution, you can practice this mudra for 10 to 15 minutes. This mudra also helps making sure all the glands in your body, be it adrenaline, thyroid, pineal, all the glands work as well as possible. So this is an excellent mudra and you should definitely practice it.